How to activate Metro Bank credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about activating the credit card of Metro Bank online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your preferred web browser in your mobile device or your computer. And after you do that, type in activate Metro Bank credit card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various links. From here, click on the initial link that indicates activate card. Once you do that, you will be landed to this kind of interface of Metro Bank card. Scroll all the way down and here you can see the interface of card activation. And in the first designated area, you have to enter the correct form of your credit card number. And after you do that, set up the card expiry date. And after you do that, enter the CAPTCHA. And once it's done, click on proceed. Make sure that your credit card number and the card expiry date is correct. And after you click on proceed, you will be able to activate your Metro Bank credit card online easily. That's all there is to it. This is how you can activate your Metro Bank credit card online account. This is truly a simple process. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.